Multipurpose classroom. The multipurpose classroom is a school space, generally a large room, designed to accommodate tasks related to learning of any kind. Normally in this place, complementary and extracurricular activities are carried out, such as conferences, courses, school workshops, etc. They are tasks that sometimes require multiple and special educational and non-educational resources. This space is very useful for its versatility, so it can be used for activities with large audiences, as an auditorium, place for assemblies, projections, exhibitions, etc. Sometimes it is also used as a dining room, or it is related to non-educational community meetings, such as neighborhood meetings, recitals, plays, etc. The versatility of this place allows to adapt it to the event that is carried out, modifying its space to reduce it or expand it according to the task concerned, managing to welcome both the large group, the small group, or a more energized group. This is a document from orechetransparental.org.